Hey Max Impactors, Tim Rosanelli coming at you again with another great video. I really love my cast iron pans here in the kitchen, but every once in a while when you cook something you get a lot of stuff that's kind of baked onto it and hard to get off. And I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways of cleaning the pan. It's kind of like doing a deglaze that you would do. In other words, we're going to heat up the pan really hot and then we're going to put some water in, a little bit of water in it, and then scrub it. First, we put the pan on high heat, and then we wait till you're just starting to see some whiffs of smoke, like right now. All right, we're over here in the sink. I just throw it in here, and you're just going to put a little bit of water in. I like to use hot water, and I have this brush right here, and this brush is, this is from Grove Collaborative. Here, let me bring this up a little bit. And it's made for scrubbing cast iron pans, so the bristles are better with the high heat. And then you can just scrub it off. Good. You may need to dump off some of the water, and then add a little bit more, and then you can scrub a little bit more. Until the pan is completely clean. Once the pan is clean, I like to put it back on the burner and steam off any of the water. And then your final step would just be to, I have a little squirt bottle with oil, and after water is off, you can squirt with a little bit of oil, like that. Now I'll let the pan cool off a little bit with the oil in there, and then you just wipe off the excess oil with a paper towel. And this really helps the seasoning of the pan, and I'll come around and I'll usually do the bottom and the outside. And there you go, your pan is ready to go for the next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in getting one of these brushes that are for cast iron pans, I will post a link in the description so you can get one. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.